This is spicy food heaven. So good. Today we're making spicy braised eggs. It is one of my favorite Korean side dishes. Everyone loves the Mayak soy sauce marinated eggs, but these spicy braised eggs, let me just tell you, once it hits the lips, you will not be able to stop. 오늘의 레시피, 매콤한 달걀 조림 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper 헬렌입니다. Now make sure to check out the description box below for a full list of today's ingredients as well as Korean product links that you could order online if you cannot get to a Korean market. We're gonna start with making our spicy braising sauce for our eggs. We need 2 tablespoons of Korean soy sauce. All-purpose Korean sauce works, 양조간장. You could also use 진간장, jin soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of finely ground gochugaru, dry red pepper flakes, goun gochugaru. If you don't have the fine ground, you could also just use the coarse grind as well. Half tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of finely minced garlic. Only use fresh garlic, please. And a 1/4 cup of finely minced red onion. If you don't have red onion, just use white onion, and if you have shallots, even better. 1 teaspoon of sogogi dashida. This is beef dashida bouillon powder. You could also use yeondu, which is plant-based flavor enhancer, or MSG instead. If you're using MSG, just add half a teaspoon instead. And to this, we're gonna add 1 cup of hot water. Mix everything up so that everything is melted into one delicious seasoning liquid. Set your heat to high and preheat your sauce pot for about a good minute or 2. Here I have 8 hard-boiled eggs. Now, if you want to learn how to boil eggs or just to get some tips on how to, make sure to check out my soy sauce braised eggs called Mayak Eggs, but the actual name is not Mayak Eggs, so you should check that video out, and the video will be linked below. Now, once your frying pan is preheated, I want you to add about a tablespoon of oil. Then we're going to add our eggs. Then we're going to add our seasoning sauce. Then I want you to cover with the lid and let this braise on high heat for 3 minutes. So it's been 3 minutes. So what we're gonna do is lower our heat to medium and let's take a look. Ooh la la. Oh, it smells garlicky and spicy. Oh, I love it. So what we're gonna do next is just turn over our egg so it gets equal amount of swim time, braising time in this delicious spicy seasoning sauce. Okay, and then kind of put everything towards the center like that. And then we're gonna get our liquid, kind of spread it, make it nice like that. Yeah, I want you to see this. This is the bomb sauce. Then we're gonna cover with our lid and let this braise for 2 minutes on medium heat. All right, so it's been 2 minutes. We're gonna turn off our heat completely and let's take a look. Ooh, look at that. Ah, it smells so good in my kitchen right now. Oh, amazing. So we're gonna transfer this to a bowl right away. Then spread the love. This amazing, spicy goodness sauce that you will not be able to stop eating with rice. Hence the name rice thief side dish, because you just keep on eating bowl after bowl of rice because it's so good. Then we're gonna drizzle some sesame oil. Sesame oil just makes this taste extra decadent, creamy and nutty. Oh, it already smells so good. And then we're gonna garnish with some green onions and a little bit of sesame seeds on top. And there we have it, folks. I want to take a quick moment to thank you for cooking Korean food with me. Now, if you are enjoying these lesson-based Korean cooking tutorial videos, I want to kindly ask you to support me by clicking on the like button, subscribe button, notification bell, and share today's video with your friends and family. Another way to support me is to go to amazon.com/shop/modernpepper and browse through all the Korean ingredients that you might need, as well as other items that you might need on Amazon. And my Patreon account. Even a $1 donation will be greatly appreciated. Your generosity means that I can continue to produce these lesson-based Korean cooking videos for free for everyone. All right, let's get back to cooking. I'm just saying, eggs have never tasted this good. Well, okay, I like eggs in many different ways, but this is one of my favorites. Egg. Take an egg, big spoonful of the sauce with my one egg, and just put it on top of my bowl of warm Korean rice like that. And then I will go back, get a little more of this delicious addictive liquid, and just pour a little bit more on top like that and all over my rice. Okay, let's have a taste anyway. Oh, it's just like, spicy, garlicky, slightly sweet, not too sweet, and like all comes together where you just want to like pour it all over your Korean rice and go to town. Ooh, I can't even concentrate. Oh wow, that is delicious. All right, I'm gonna go in with my scissors so I can show you the inside. Ooh. If that doesn't look good, I don't know what to tell you. And then you just gotta keep on going back for the sauce. And then I just would pour it on top like that. Oh, it smells so good because the sesame oil just like brings it all together. I'm going crazy, as you can see. Bon appetito. So good. So good, so good. The only way this gets better is if you put a piece of kimchi on top together. I'm just saying, you know, for me, anytime you add kimchi to whatever I'm eating, especially Korean food, it just takes it to another level and I'm just instantly happy. 매워요. 근데 참 맛있어요. This is spicy food heaven, and the Korean rice together. Oh, I'm just saying, so good. Oh, it's getting a little sweaty, but I love it. Now, if you are a fan of Korean food, spicy Korean food, or Korean side dishes, make sure to go to youtube.com/modernpepper, click on that playlist tab, and select Korean side dish recipe playlist, Banchan recipe playlist, or click on spicy Korean recipe playlist, and I will see you there. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, as always, I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on that thumbs up icon and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Doing so does wonders for my channel, and perhaps share today's recipe with your friends and family. 여러분, 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 꼭 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of these other Korean recipe videos you see right here.